This is our current window. It's amazing how much, the window provides sound protection. Welcome to New Mexico!
We
The
made
land
it!
of enchantment, it said.
New Mexico. And now like a bunch of diseases.
So much stress just left my body.
He let me do it because his head was like that, and the head got hit off, so Dad's gonna put the head back on.
Wow, look at this guy. It's kind of cool. Creepy looking. Oh, what do you say to Morgan?
Thank you.
Yeah.
I don't. Literally blue. You can see that? He's like wagging and rolling, but look at him. Yeah, he's blue.
And I know right now. I'm my pants on and my sunglasses on.
Hi
Explorers.
explorers, greetings from
New Mexico.
We stopped in Roswell, which was completely unplanned. It's just as far as we could get into New Mexico safely because we were in the middle of an ice storm. We're on a mission to explore every state before the new year, and we had other plans for New Mexico. However, we thought that we would embrace it.
Yeah, we woke up early that morning and did all the touristy things that we could do in 24 hours.
This is pretty cool.
Nice Dunkin' Donuts too. Peace.
McDonald.
What's he looking at? McDonald's? He's pointing to the McDonald's sign.
You going for it, Jude? Do you believe in aliens?
Yeah, not when they stop.
You don't think they'll suck us up, but you think they're real?
What about if I want to just give them a tea?
Give them a tea?
Yep.
Oh, that's nice.
But they
Peace
don't
offering?
have tea in space, so.
Oh, look! Oh my god, look what happened here.
It's done.
Probing station. How about that? Wow.
Don't end out. It's an alien portal.
An alien portal? Oh man.
It's 9 out of 9. I don't think so. 10 out of 10.
I started talking to the owner and he was saying that you used to be able to easily walk up to the crash site, but now they closed it. And you can still get there a back way, but people were taking soil samples and they were still finding metal in the soil.
Bowie and he's Pooey. Pooey told you how.
Try to cover it up and say that they were just testing these.
Yeah.
But remember, they're a lot smaller.
And now, if we should crash it to get half.
That's how big they thought they were, just tiny things.
Yeah, I feel bad. They get out. And this place was even invented. So aliens had to be before us.
Thank you so much for coming with us to Roswell. We hope that you enjoyed it as much as we did, as much as Jonah did, because now he is the biggest UFO advocate ever. And I think it's safe to say that coming out of it, we have a whole new perspective, and I think we are believers.
Did Roswell
They're
happen?
out there.
Did it happen?
They're out there.
And join us next week because we are going to be sliding in to a whole new adventure.
See you then.
Cheers.